So today we're in Luminar AI and I'm going to show you how you can add a sky pack into Luminar AI. It's pretty simple. All we want to do is go across to our edit section. Once we're in edit, we want to scroll down our tools section till we find Sky AI. It's in the creative section. Once we're here, we just want to click where it says, mine currently says sunset free, but you're going to see a big square rectangular box like this. So we click the drop down arrow on that. Once we're in here, you're going to want to click the drop down arrow again. You probably see some skies or something. We're going to want to click show custom skies. So once we have that, you can see here in our custom folder we have a couple of skies already installed. Then all we're going to do is we're going to have our pack already downloaded from the internet. If you haven't done that already, download it, extract it. And once we have our folder here, we have the Freedom Skies pack. All we're going to do is we're just drag this into the program here. Just going to click move because that was on my desktop. And once we're done, we're just going to close that down. And now if we go back into our skies, you should see, we're just going to go into a different tool and open it up. But you should see Freedom Skies. And there's the Freedom Skies pack. That's how you add a different skies pack into Luminar AI. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.